Dumpster rental service in South Dakota. At Rockn Rolloffs, we provide top-tier dumpster rental service in South Dakota for all your waste disposal needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or simply decluttering your space, we have the right dumpsters to handle the job efficiently. Our rental process is simple, reliable, and designed to make waste management hassle-free. We take pride in offering prompt deliveries and pickups to keep your project on schedule and ensure that your worksite stays clean and organized. With our durable dumpsters, you can efficiently dispose of debris without worry. We serve residential, commercial, and industrial clients with professionalism and care. Whether you're a homeowner clearing out your garage, a contractor managing a demolition project, or a business handling bulk waste, we provide the perfect waste disposal solutions. No job is too big or too small. We have the right dumpsters for every project. At Rockn Rolloffs, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated team is here to guide you through the rental process, answer any questions, and ensure you get exactly what you need. Renting a dumpster shouldn't be complicated, and with us, it's easy and affordable. Contact Rockn Rolloffs at 605-214-4080 to book your dumpster. We provide reliable service every time. Rockn Rolloffs is here for you.